ito na guys yung eel. Siyempre, hugasan with asin. And meron tayong bawang, black bean, at saka tangerine skin. So, meron tayong mga condiments dito. Cornstarch, sugar, parsley pang garnish. Meron tayong oyster sauce, soy sauce, Chinese cooking wine. Ayan, naka-ready na lahat. So, marinate muna natin. Importante yung tangerine skin para sa amoy ng or lansa ng eel. Okay, so pag na-marinate mo, steam natin ng 16 minutes. Tandaan nyo guys, at least na-marinate yan ng at least 15 minutes. So, after steaming for 15 minutes, garnish natin yung cilantro at saka parsley and buhusan natin siya ng hot oil. Ayan na yung hot oil and it's ready to serve. Yan, isa sa paborito kong dish ng Chinese. Okay guys, enjoy!